So it is like mid-January in Canada right now, and what that means is it's the off season. And in the off season, we repair and do maintenance. Last year, riding around in North Frontenac Parklands, I hit a decent sized branch with one of my panniers and it kind of ripped. Actually, I can show you right here. Here's the pannier and there's the rip. So it ripped the outer bag. The inner bag was completely fine, and that's not that big of a rip, but I was going to take it into a place in St. Catharines that I know could actually fix it, but for a rip that size, I think I'm just going to burn some holes in it and use some zip ties. So I'm hoping that if I heat up a coat hanger with a torch, it should get hot enough and be good enough that I can just melt some holes in it, pass the zip ties through, because I'm hoping the burning will kind of melt the material as it goes through as well, stopping it from unraveling or fraying or anything like that. So I think I'll put one through both of those and then through there. Just heat this up a bit. I really should be wearing safety glasses for this, so I'll get some on right when I'm done here. And yeah, that actually that goes through there pretty easily. Right about there. Let that cool for a bit. See if we can get one of these through. Never did get those safety glasses. Safety third. And then I'll still have room to fit the molly bags on the bottom. I just normally just carry a extra fuel bottle or my bear spray or something in there. I wonder if I should do a third one there. I think I'm gonna, if I have enough propane. So not the prettiest repair by any means, but it should more than do the trick and gives a little trail cred to the bags, I guess. I don't know if you want to call it that. But yeah, as far as I'm concerned, I mean, I'll put the dry bag back in this and it'll be good as new to me. For what I ride through, more than good enough. And I can actually still have it repaired professionally if I wanted to, I'm sure. All right. And so there we have basically the finished product. 3 zip tie stitches holding the outer bag together. And like I said, that should be fine for anything I'm going to do with this recently. Got both the molly pouches back on it, and it's pretty much ready to go back on the bike. So that's good enough for me. So it is like mid-January here in Canada. The heater. Forgot the fucking heater.